research, sudden reduction in income or unexpected expenses. Now, I would like to mention a few points wherein like how to keep us calm or what should we do when in a financial crisis. So the first step is that we should remain calm, very calm. Second step is evaluate the situation. Third is take inventory. Fourth is undertake smart goal setting. Sharpen your skills. Then comes set financial priorities. Find a replacement for one major monthly expense. Take action. Take corrective actions. Deal with creditors proactively. Do not hesitate to ask for help. Now, these are the things, these are the steps that we need to follow while we are in a financial crisis. But how should we avoid a financial crisis? We should definitely try to avoid such a situation because that is not a very good situation to face. So the first thing is that we should make budgets. Budgets are a very important factor to consider while in business or while anywhere in life also. Even an individual should make a budget. Then comes build emergency funds, increase your income. Try and increase your income, maintain liquidity. Everything should not be just allocated to your investments and you don't have anything liquid in your hand. Now the next thing is that check your insurance coverage. Insurance coverage also covers your health insurance, your life insurance, everything. Now health insurance is also a very important part because it is a preventive measure that if you suddenly fall ill, then you'll have at least your health insurance to cover the expenses. Because if you don't have a health insurance, then it's actually the medical expenses are huge these days. Then comes determine what you can change. Of course, we should always keep determining what we can change. Then curtail impulsive purchases. Now this is another area that most of us make a mistake. We do impulsive purchases. Impulsive purchases, like when you go somewhere and you like a product, you like something and you just want to buy that. That is very wrong. Just try and think if that is a need, you need that or you want that. You need to differentiate between a need and a want. And if you can skip buying that, just keep buying it. That is the first way where you can, first step where you can proceed to save your finance. Like that is the first and very important step that we all should consider. Curtail impulsive purchases. Now, moving on to the next thing, that is savings. It's very important that financial crisis is something that we can deal with, we can avoid. Like if in a situation of a financial crisis, we have to find solutions. But we should always try to avoid such a situation, and avoiding such a situation is very important, wherein comes into the picture savings and investments. So what is savings, what is investments? Savings, firstly I would like to tell you that whatever you do not spend is your savings. So you have money, you earn something, you either spend or you keep it for later. The portion that you keep it for later is your savings. Now it's up to you that you keep it constant or you want to increase it. You want to make money out of your money or not. So if you want to make money out of your money, then it's very important that you invest your savings. Savings will do. You can either keep it in your savings bank account or with yourselves, liquid money. Otherwise, if you want to invest it, you can invest it somewhere where your capital also appreciates. Also, you get return on your returns. So the next thing I'll be covering banking services. Here I have a few banking services that we get help from banks, right? Financial crisis, again, one thing we did, we save money, then we can of course save ourselves from financial crisis. But what if we are actually in a financial crisis and we need financial help? Not just financial help, also savings, if we invest here, can grow. Now comes banking. So the first thing, savings in gullak versus bank. What is a gullak? It's a piggy bank. You can keep your money, you can keep your savings in a gullak, you can keep it in your piggy bank, but it won't grow. And the main thing is that you will always have in your mind that your money, you will be tempted to spend your money. Like if you have it in your hand, if you have it in your wallet, you will always be tempted to spend your money. So it's always better to keep it somewhere safe, to keep it somewhere where you will not be if where you will not be tempted too much to spend your money. Even if you keep it in a bank account, it's like we always get tempted to spend our money, because nowadays we have UPI, we have debit cards, we have credit cards. So in any case we get tempted, but there comes the the thought that we gave, that curtail impulsive purchases. Now about banks. Banks accept deposits, savings deposits, fixed deposits, recurring deposits, current account deposits. Also, bank grants loans. What kind of loans? Cash credits, bank overdraft, and loans, term loans. Now, we have types of banks, cooperative banks and commercial banks. The type of loans that we get from banks are home loan, education loan, gold loan, vehicle loan, agriculture loan, overdrafts, and personal loans. So now I would like to mention a few type of schemes and loans that Government of India offers us through the banks. So the first one is Mudra loan under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. What is this? This is a loan that the bank lends to the small and micro businesses. It can be used by shopkeepers, fruit vendors, traders, artisans, vegetable vendors, small industries. So the loan can range from rupees 50,000 to rupees 10 lakhs, and it can be approved within a time frame of 59 minutes. So it's not a very long procedure. It can be approved within 59 minutes, and within 7 to 8 days it can be disbursed to the small business owners. This is Mudra loan under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. The next scheme is MSME loan, which is also approved within 59 minutes. What is MSME loan? It is launched by the Government of India for providing funds to start a business and micro, small and medium enterprises. Rate of interest is 8.50% per annum. It may vary depending upon the CIBIL score and everything. Then comes the loan amount. So the loan amount here is 1 lakh to rupees 5 crores. Quick access to financial support, it is like, as I said, like within 59 minutes it gets approved, and again within 7 to 8 working days it gets disbursed to your bank account. So it's again a very quick process to raise finance. Then comes Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for micro and small enterprises. So what is Credit Guarantee Fund Trust? We have heard about CGT MSE, right? So this is it. This is a scheme that aims to provide guarantee for providing loans to small and micro businesses. So the extent of guarantee cover is 85% for micro business for loan up to 5 lakh rupees, and 50% of the sanctioned loan amount from 10 lakhs to rupees 1 crore per borrower for retail trade activity. Now the loan amount offered to manufacturing and service sectors, it's 2 crore rupees, and the loan amount offered to retail traders is rupees 1 crore.